Okay, here is your next question. Let's see if you got this one correct. What is the expanded notation of 34,276? So the first step would be, let's plug this into our place value chart. 34,276. I only have 5 digits, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is where your place value is going to start, is your 10,000s. So if you're not sure about where to plug in your number, remember, always count back from your ones place value or start plugging your number in from your ones. That also works. Okay, so let's work this out. This is our 100,000s, 10,000s, thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. How many 10,000s do we have? We have 3 10,000s. So 1, 2, 3. How many thousands do we have? 4 thousands. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many hundreds do we have? 2 hundreds. How many tens? 7 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tens. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. So you have these up here, and they're colored on your assignment, so you can move them. You can create this number just like I did. You can stack it below this, or you could stack it over here off to the side. You have room to do these numbers, to build them with your place value discs. So I hope that you did that. So I have 3 10,000s. Remember, for expanded notation, it is the digit in the place value times the place value. So 3 times 10,000, 4 times 1,000, 2 times 100, 7 times 10, and 6 times 1. So let's start with this first one. 3 times 10,000. 3 times 10,000. 4 times 10,000. Nope. 3 times 10,000 and 3 times 10,000. I've eliminated an answer choice. The next one is 4 times 1,000. 6 times 1,000. Nope. 4 times 1,000. 4 times 1,000. I have 200, so it's going to be 2 times 100, 2 times 100, 7 times 100. That can't be your answer. Let's just double check the rest of it. My tens, I have 7 tens, so it's going to be 7 times 10. And my 6, I have 6 ones, which is 6 times 1. C is your answer. If you got the answer correct, go spin your spinner and move your pieces.